How to use WhatsApp voice message auto translate feature. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can use WhatsApp voice message auto translate feature. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So to use your WhatsApp voice message auto translate feature, first locate your WhatsApp app, then open it up. On your WhatsApp app, what you'll need to do is first you must enable voice message transcripts. To do that, tap on the three dots on the top right, head over to settings, then go to chats. After you're on your chats, you'll see voice message transcripts. Tap on it, then choose a language. So let's select English here. Just choose the language in which most of your voice messages are. Then tap on Setup Now. Now this will download the necessary packages required for the voice message auto translate feature. After the package gets downloaded, what you'll then need to do is head over to the chat where you've received the voice message. Long press on the VM. Tap on the three dots on the top right. Then you'll find the transcribe option. Tap on it. And it will take some time, but after that your message will get translated. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.